guys, today we're going to be installing two little things. First one being is a clutch stop. I have this on my F30 and it makes the car completely more enjoyable to drive. The clutch travel is almost non-existent, especially that dead plate that you have. This car has it like to the max, like at least 2 inches of dead plate, while the F30 was about 1 inch. But with this little thing, we're going to be removing that dead plate. Now the second thing I got is this little I don't even know what the fuck it's called. So the second thing I got is this phone charger mount. This thing is really cool because it actually tells you the voltage that your car's putting out to your accessories. So this is basically a retrofit that I'll be doing myself and taking you guys along, showing you. It's pretty easy. It has the two connectors that basically you have in your so this one goes into your existing cigarette lighter place. It's going to sit much flusher, so you don't have that janky looking one that connects to your phone they have to plug in. This is going to sit flush, tell you the voltage, and you can close the little cubby that you have, because right now I can't do that with mine sticking out, which is annoying. So this thing is going to be very nice. Another thing I want to say is huge thank you to the E46ers for sending me some merch. They sent me this cool banner and basically invited me to be in part of their club of the E46s. Now, if you have a cool E46, definitely go follow them on Instagram and tag them in your post. If your E46 cuts it, you might be in the group. Now, they gave me a lot of tiny stickers and they're yellow, which matches my color. So when I'm going to be putting this on, it's just going to look so much cleaner with that right there. That looks dope.
Okay, so the clutch stop goes right back here. All you do is unscrew this, basically. This actually works as a clutch stop, but it's super small. It's only about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch. Focus. But yeah, this is about 1/4 of an inch, so it's not even that big. And then this one, we can adjust as much as we want. As you guys can see, there's definitely a huge difference. Here I can go almost 1/2 inch. I'm pretty sure almost 1 inch. So this is definitely going to be much nicer. I just need to figure out how much I want it. So good thing this has threads, so you can mess around with it and make it as tall as possible or as short as possible. So to put it back in, as you can see, this has the threads. You put it in the hole and you twist. And it's that simple. It's probably the easiest mod you can do for your E46 to make it more enjoyable to drive. And there you have it. That's less clutch travel right there. That's simple. For about $7 on eBay or $5 at your local Home Depot or Lowe's, and you can make the clutch basically travel less, so you don't have that dead pedal. So unfortunately we had some corrupted data with the footage, especially when I installed the clutch stop. So my first initial impressions are not going to be shown right now because everything we recorded got corrupted, unfortunately. But I'm going to take the car for a spin right now and tell you exactly how it feels driving with a new clutch stop.
Definitely need this clutch stop. I am not kidding. It is that noticeable. I love it. I don't know how well it sounds on camera since I have an extremely bad exhaust leak. I need to fix that ASAP. It's so annoying. But the video isn't about the exhaust sound, it's about the clutch stop, and I love it. So right off the bat, I can tell immediately that it engages so much better. Before, like I mentioned, there was so much clutch travel before it engaged that it kind of like was extremely annoying to shift smoothly because of it. But thanks to the clutch stop, it's almost completely gone now. It feels amazing. Going through gears, everything's so much more precise. I love it. Overall, this is probably the best $6 that you could spend on your car. I still love the pops. Well, there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial how to install a clutch stop and how helpful it is. But without further ado, let's pick a winner. Okay, so it's time to pick the giveaway winner. I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. We are currently sitting at 6,495 subscribers, and that's just mind-blowing. I'm about to pick a winner in a minute, but before I do, I just want to say if you don't win this time, don't worry. I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways as the channel keeps on growing, so definitely subscribe and comment, like the videos. I'll be doing a lot more with the E46. There's still so much to do with the engine swap, as I mentioned. Also, I'm going to be starting a new project that I'm looking for. It's definitely going to be something cool that you guys want to stick around for. So definitely subscribe, like, it helps the channel a lot. So without further ado, let's pick the winner. So before we start, I just want to say that I was only able to get 4,200 of you guys. It's only due to the fact that only the subscriber list only includes users who have their subscription public. So if you subscribe to me but it's private, I don't see your name, so I can't add you to the list. But like I mentioned before, since we're doing more giveaways, definitely make yourself public, and if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe so I can add you to the list. Now let's just go here to the Google generator. As you can see, it's 1 to 4201, random 3 and 0 and 421. So let's see, and 2025. Okay, so let's see this. Oops. All of these are linked, so it would be easier for me to actually click and see. But let's see, 2025. Enter. We have David Hebert. Sorry, I can't pronounce your last name. But let's see. There we go. Any information? Unfortunately, no. But if you're watching this video, I mean, I'm guessing you would watch my videos because you actually subscribe. So thank you so much. But you have until the end of the week, so I'll give you until Sunday to message me or to link an email so I can hit you up. But yeah, David Hebert. Again, really sorry if I'm butchering your name. But you are the lucky winner of the NRG Wing, so I hope you're watching this video so you can message me and you can pick your 59 or 69-inch wing. So there you guys go, we have a winner. I do want to give away the body kit, so hopefully if we get big enough we can actually do that. But until then, I'm just going to be doing smaller giveaways, and if we reach, I don't know how many subscribers, but if we get big enough where the manufacturers are actually going to give us a body kit to give away, that'd be awesome, because that is basically a major goal for me, is to give back to you guys. You've been supporting me through all these years, and it's just so awesome. It's a great feeling. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I know.